a moment with Nista. Today we're gonna be doing the
Okay, wait, so how do I do it? Okay, I'll do it. Hi everyone, today we'll be doing a spicy noodle challenge. And
Who's gonna tell us? Oh, okay, I'll tell
oh, you wanted 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Are you serious? No, you 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. Ready? Wait. It's starting, go.
I'm swallowing the shit, huh?
Just finished. This is News one, my one, and Pax.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Congratulations, guys. Please like, subscribe,
And don't forget to comment.
everyone. 2.